Careful.
Very good evening to you. 3 minutes past 11 is the time. You're listening to Late Nights. Tom Swarbrick here on LBC. Hope he finds you well this evening.